This is gonna be a game of capture the fat man. I'm the fat man. Grenades will stun me for 10 seconds. You gotta capture me and you gotta take me to the building behind Mercantile, the gray and black one.
Red and black one.
Red and black one. For this side, it's gonna be the building right behind Saloon with the P on it. If you shoot me, the game's over apparently, so check your fire and don't shoot me. And then, yeah, if I touch you with this, you're out.
But he will be walking in the center of the field. He will not be walking around stabbing everyone unless you come and try to take him.
Mac, I have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
Why do you say mercantile? There's no H in the C.
I don't, because that's what people call it.
No, it's mercantile.
Whatever.
My question is so if we try to capture you, how are we going to capture you if you're going to just keep hitting us?
You have to surprisingly capture him.
You have to, or stun me with a grenade.
I don't have a grenade. Do I just come up and like hold your shirt or something?
Yeah, pretty much. And then you have to deal with my fat butt attempting to run to the capture point.
You have to grab him.
Because I'm not fast.
Physically.
So while I'm grabbing him, he can't even.
Why did you call yourself fat?
Because I'm a thick boy.
Here.
I'm thicker.
All right, guys, you will have 5 lives, 4 respawns. That understood. Does anybody have any questions?
Don't push up. Keep going back. What are you doing?
Back up, guys.
3, 2, 1, go.
I got hit by something. Someone shot me. I want to hit something. No, no. You're smart. I'm sorry I'm stepping on your heels.
Okay, sir. Can I light you?
Yeah, yeah. Go. Go. It's the building right here in front of us.
Building?
It's the building in front of us. Extract me. I don't want to die. You used me as a shield. Oh!
Please don't do it.
You're dead.
What's up, guys? Don't be afraid of crime. Batman.
I'm teabagging on all the teams. Can I start hitting people now?
Yeah, but don't go too far away from the center.
Ah!
Bam, you're mine.
Oh, oh, oh! Okay, guess I'm yours.
Cover me, move, move, move.
We're going to this red building. Ooh. Game's over.
I don't want you.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, I smell like puke. Don't touch me.
Oh, ew. What the fuck? What happened? Hey, you're good, dude.
Hey, I'm good to go one more round.
Switching sides? Hey, I did not shoot you. I didn't shoot you. I just said baby.
Kyle, call switch sides.
Are we switching?
Switch sides, switch sides.
Switch sides.